नई सुबह खुशियों का घेरा, सूरज की किरणें चिड़ियों का बसेरा, ऊपर से आपका ये खिलता हुआ चेहरा, मुबारक हो आपको ये सुहाना सवेरा। A very pleasant and scientific morning to one and all present over here. Respected Principal Ma'am, Supervisor Ma'am, teachers and all my naughty dear friends. Today, myself Purva Gaikwad from 9th B
and myself Sharwari Gangurde from 9th B.
We would like to welcome you all on this auspicious day, that is National Science Day 2021.
For any program to be started, we need blessings of God. And therefore, I request all prayer girls and boys to come forward. And I request you all to please stand up, stand straight, close your eyes and get ready for the prayer. Prayer begins. Now, as we follow the tradition of our nation, lap nighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati. So, I would like to request our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Baljit Kaur, Supervisor Ma'am, Mrs. Archana Tiwari and our respected teachers to proceed for the lap nighting ceremony.
या ब्रह्मांड पोटी निशेष जाड्या पहा
It's an honor that this beautiful audience has gathered here. I once more warmly welcome you all on this auspicious day on behalf of Guru Nanak English High School's function, that is National Science Day on 20th February.
So, without wasting any time, I would like to start our program with the welcome song by the students of Guru Nanak English High School.
सुर से सुर मिला के गाए मंगल गान, सुर से सुर मिला के गाए मंगल गान, हृदय में प्रेम लिए करते स्वागत सम्मान, सुर से सुर मिला के गाए मंगल गान, ला 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 ला। मंगल में है आज की बेला, शुभ है ये आगमन, धन्य भाग है आप पधारे, धन्य हुआ आंगन। मंगल में है आज की बेला, शुभ है ये आगमन, धन्य भाग है आप पधारे, धन्य हुआ आंगन। दीप से दीप जलाकर करते हैं प्रणाम, दीप से दीप जलाकर करते हैं प्रणाम, हृदय में प्रेम लिए करते स्वागत सम्मान, सुर से सुर मिला के गाए मंगल गान, गम प गम रे ग सा रे ग सा प म रे नि प सा, गम प गम ध रे ग प सा रे ग सा प म रे नि प सा। कलिया है हम इस उपवन की, सब में प्रेम भरे, खुशबू से महकाए धरा को ऐसा कर्म करे। कलिया है हम इस उपवन की, सब में प्रेम भरे, खुशबू से महकाए धरा को ऐसा कर्म करे। परमेश्वर से मांगे हो सबका कल्याण, परमेश्वर से मांगे हो सबका कल्याण, हृदय में प्रेम लिए करते स्वागत सम्मान, सुर से सुर मिला के गाए मंगल गान, सुर से सुर मिला के गाए मंगल गान, करते हैं प्रणाम, हो सबका कल्याण।
Oh, it was very wonderful.
So, Sharvari, do you know why we have gathered here?
Yes, of course, to celebrate National Science Day.
Yes, but do you know why do we celebrate it?
Actually, I don't know more about this.
Okay, so let me tell you. National Science Day is been celebrated in India every year on 20th of February to commemorate the discovery of Raman's effect. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkatraman had announced his discovery of scattering of light through liquid, solid and gases, for which he was awarded. So we celebrate this day as Natural Science Day.
Oh, it was very interesting.
Yes, and I hope you not forget that.
So let's proceed our program with welcome address by our supervisor ma'am, Mrs. Archana Tiwari.
Good morning everyone. Respected Principal Madam, my dear colleagues, students and all the parents, those who are witnessing this program from home. I want to begin my words with two sentences in Hindi. मनुष्य की सबसे बड़ी पहचान, मनुष्य की सबसे बड़ी पहचान, हाँ भाई हाँ है वह विज्ञान, हाँ भाई हाँ है वह विज्ञान. Yes, we live in a knowledge society. Science has been an inseparable part of our life. In a modern, innovative society where advancements are plentiful, inventions are instantaneous, science and technology has formed a part of our life. Today, 28th February is dedicated to science. It is recognized as National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated all over India with great enthusiasm on 28th February every year in order to commemorate the invention of Raman effect in India. This invention was done by the great physicist Sri Chandrasekhar Venkatraman on the same day in the year 1928. For this great success, he was also awarded as Nobel Prize in Physics. By celebrating this date as National Science Day, we show our regard and respect to our famous scientist Sir C.V. Raman. Main objective of National Science Day is to bring awareness to people about the importance of science in our daily life. It is also to encourage people by popularizing science and technology. Event organized on this day reveal the importance of science. It inspires people of all ages to work in the field of science. Theme of National Science Day in the year 2021 is function of STI. Now you will be wondering what is STI? S stands for science, T stands for technology, I stands for invention. So the theme is function of STI and its impact on education, work and skills. As we all know that intelligent use of science and technology are the tools with which we can achieve a new directive. It is a great antidote to the poison of ignorance. We live in a society exclusively depending on science and technology. Yet, we have cleverly arranged things that we don't understand the importance of it. Science has already proved a boon in this pandemic situation. We were able to save lives, control losses due to advancement of science. Today, we express our gratitude to all the scientists for their perseverance and never giving up attitude which has led for the advancement and miracles to happen. It is also a perfect day to express our gratitude and applaud the work done by our Indian scientists in preparation of vaccine and thus saving lives. Thus it is truly said, इसी विज्ञान से उन्नति हमारी, यही विज्ञान है हर आपदा पर भारी. इसी विज्ञान से उन्नति हमारी, यही विज्ञान है हर आपदा पर भारी. So dear all, let me take this opportunity to welcome our reputed Principal Madam. Our Principal Madam, Mrs. Baljeet Kaur, is a visionary lady with integrity, innovation, honesty and self-confidence. She inspires us and makes sure that staff should feel trusted. She motivates us to do the great thing. I extend a warm welcome to our principal madam. Dear all, God has also blessed me with the amazing work family that is Guru Nanak family. They are my joy, support, sanity. I now extend a warm welcome to all my colleagues for gracing this occasion. It is truly said, na samjho to jadoo, samjho to vigyan. We are having among us our tiny students. They are the young budding scientists. They are going to perform experiment for you all. I extend my warm welcome to these budding scientists and the participant of this program. I welcome all my students who will be witnessing this program at the comfort of their home. And I have to register that love is the strongest of all emotion. It is our love for them that we want to stay connected, and therefore we have taken the help of internet, one more boon of science, to be connected with you all. We miss you all, students. Finally, I welcome one and all. Welcome everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's proceed our program. Sharvari, do you feel any turbulence around here?
Yes, I do. The heartbeats have gone up and everyone is eager to sink into the depth of science experiments, logics and magics.
Well, here you are. So we are going to witness the first science experiment by senior students.
Hello friends, my name is Varat Ajit Golipkar. I am from class 9B. Today I am going to show you some magical and cool science experiments. Safety tip: do not try this experiment without any adult supervision. So let's go. I personally call this experiment as the balloon experiment. I have taken a plastic bottle. In it I have some solution, and I have taken a balloon. In it there is a magical powder. What do you think? What will happen if I join this balloon to this bottle? It will blow up or it will not blow up? Let's see. If you say it will blow up, you are right. It will blow up because of CO2. The principle of this phenomena, it is because of the neutralization. In neutralization, acid acts with base and forms salt. When acetic acid, which is vinegar, acts with baking soda, it forms CO2. Because of CO2, the balloon gets blown up. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Myself Rayan Sheikh and myself Sanjay Chairman are here to present an experiment called carbon sugar sync. The materials we have used here are sand, spirit, baking soda and sugar. Now we will spread some spirit on the sand. And now we will mix the baking soda and sugar. And now we will spread this mixture on the sand. And now we will lit the fire on the sand. This experiment, three reactions occurs. The first reaction occurs when sugar combusts in the presence of oxygen. This produces carbon dioxide gas and water vapor, which pushes the sugar and baking soda mixture upwards. Some of this additional sugar heats up but doesn't have any access to any oxygen. So it undergoes thermal decomposition, producing solid carbon and more water vapor. This solid carbon gives snake some shape and gives snake its black color. Lastly, baking soda also undergoes thermal decomposition, producing solid sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide gas, and water vapor. Altogether, these three reactions occur and produce solid form of snake and gas form of.
Oh, it was wonderful. It was very amazing. मंजिलें उन्हें ही मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। ऐसे ही हौसले लेके आ रहे हैं हमारे जूनियर साइंटिस्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट्स के साथ।
Today myself, Mind Deepak Prajapati, I will be showing you an experiment. For this, we need water, a bowl, spoon, candle, perfume, and liquid soap. First, put some water in the bowl and add some liquid soap in it. And mix it well with spoon. And we will add some perfume in it. And light the candle. Now I will bring the candle near the foam. It caught fire because perfume has alcohol which caught to fire. There is science behind every magic. Thank you.
We are very glad to experience this experiment.
As Bill Nye had said, science is the key to our future. And if you don't believe in science, then you are holding everybody back. और ऐसे ही साइंस के बारे में जानकारी और राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिन के बारे में जानकारी देने के लिए आ रहे हैं ऋषभ शुक्ला फ्रॉम 9th B.
Good morning to one and all present over here. Today, myself Rishabh Shukla of Guru Nanak English High School, Kalyan, stands before you to express my feelings about National Science Day. It's a great pleasure to talk about this day. National Science Day is celebrated in India every year on 28th of February. But why do we celebrate this day? What is the aim of it? The day commemorates the invention of the Raman's effect by the great Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. On this same day, Sir Raman gifted to the world his one of the greatest invention, the Raman effect, in the year 1928. In the year 1930, he was awarded and honored with the Nobel Prize in the Physics for his great success in the field of science in India. On this day, we show our dignity and respect to the great Indian physicist for his contribution to the field of science. C.V. Raman was born on 7th of November 1888 at Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. His father was a teacher in physics and maths. He was the first Indian scientist to research such an invention in India. This day is celebrated as a science carnival in the country through the participation of students from different schools and colleges, as well as scientists from the states and national faculties. The main objective of conducting this National Science Day is to bring awareness to the people for scientific application in their daily life and encourage them by popularizing science and technology. Science without religion is lame, but religion without science is blind, is a quote said by the great scientist Sir Albert Einstein. And at last, I want to end my speech by concluding that as students, it is our responsibility to honor such a great man and contribute toward the field of science through innovation and new ideas. Thank you very much.
Thank you Rishabh for that amazing information. खुशियों पर मौज की रवानी रहेगी और हम कार्यक्रम में यूं ही चार लगाएंगे अगर आपकी तालियों की मेहरबानी रहेगी।
जैसे सूरज की रोशनी के बिना सवेरा अधूरा है, वैसे ही विज्ञान गीत के बिना विज्ञान दिवस अधूरा है। So, please welcome the students of Guru Nanak English High School for Vigyan Geet with a great round of applause.
What's the problem here? Why you are so tense?
I had lost my job and want to start a new business. I want to approach my Sadhu Maharaj and find a way for it. Please come with me.
Yes, sure. Dear friend, there is nothing in this. I will show you how he did. When you took the paper and dip in the Pavitra gel, the color was not changed because this paper is litmus paper and made with litmus solution. Same thing when you dip this litmus paper in the acidic solution, it turns red. This is the magic of this paper, not the magic of the Baba. This is based on scientific reason. This is based on scientific reason, not the magic of the Baba.
Action.
This Baba is fake. He is spreading blind faith and belief. Wait, I will call the police. And we should not believe on this blind faith and belief.
Oh, you are great. Thank you, friend, for realizing their fact. I will sure help others to know about it.
Now I would like to call Tej Narayan sir for presenting speech on National Science Day.
Yes, respected principal ma'am, supervisor ma'am, my colleagues and my lovely dear friends and the student of our Guru Nanak English High School. I welcome you all. Now this is an occasion of 28th Feb, what we are celebrating as a National Science Day, right? Did you ever thought why we are celebrating this day? What is the purpose behind that celebration? All of you might be knowing it. You might have heard that on this particular day, we are celebrating in the form of Sir C.V. Raman. Raman effects what has been discovered, and for that he's been awarded as a Nobel Prize in the year of 1930. Now, with this Science Day, not only a student, even a community, the world community of scientists, they get an opportunity, a platform to perform different experiments. Different government, non-government institutionals, they conduct projects, debates, quiz, even they have a science exhibition, right? So this is that platform where we can get a young scientist, they get motivated with this. When you will see the world scenario at present, the contribution of India as a scientist is only 1%. That means still we are very behind it. We need to explore it. Now we cannot imagine a science, or we cannot imagine a day without a science. From morning till the night, we dream with the science. We start with the science, right? Everywhere we are having a certain logics. We are having a certain reasons. When you will think about your mobile, right now, whatever classes we are having, it is online classes, right? Because of the corona effects and all. But did you ever thought of if there was no mobile, no laptops, no internet, how the classes would have been conducted? It is only because of the boon of the science. The science has been a part of our life. In every walk of our life, we are having a science. We are having a knowledge. Science itself is a knowledge. Knowledge, what it can be explored many ways, many ideas, many thinkings, right? So, my dear lovely students, whatever experiments you perform, but you try to find out what is the principle and ideas behind it. Whenever you think something new, when you create something new, for that you get the chance in the world to explore it. Now when we talk about the science and technology, that means, for example, I will give an example behind that science and technology. There were the Wright brothers. I've got heard about that. They have discovered the aeroplane, right? But have you ever thought how they have discovered? Those two brothers, once they were seeing a bird, and they were imagining, they were thinking how the birds can fly. Why we cannot fly it? That was the dream what they have set in their eyes, and because of that dream, because of that technology, today now we can fly. Right? It is only because of the science, it is only because of the technology. You see the nature, you explore the nature and just invent it in the form of a technology. Right? So we cannot escape from the science. In every subject, in every life, in every aspect, the science plays a very vital, important role, right? So I want that in our future, our school, our Guru Nanak English High School, from our school we can get many young scientists. They should dream for it. The APJ Abdul Kalam has rightly said, the dreams are those which does not make you sleep. So you should have a dream in your eyes. When you dream, when you think something big, then only you can explore. You can be a certain right position in your life, right? So I want that the students of our school should be a scientist. Generally the parents think of only engineers and the doctors, but never think about how we can go forward in the field of a science. How I can make my child or my son or a daughter to be a scientist of it. If we won't get the technology in our countries, then our countries cannot progress. Our nation cannot progress. Generally what happens? Many brain drains are there. The child, when he gets his degrees, when he gets his opportunities, instead of working for our countries, they go for abroad. They develop the technology for that particular country, but they never think about our country. What will happen if a technology is not there? certainly we will have to depend on some other countries, right? We will have to buy, we will have to hire it, right? And now how our nation will progress then? So it's a request to everyone, whatever science and technology you develop in your nation, stick to our work, stick to our country, work for our country, strive for our countries, and give this technology to our country. Imagine if the vaccine is being developed by some other nation, then we would have to buy it. We have to get it from that particular country. A lot of money would have been spent, right? Now you know that the India has developed a vaccine. We are having a vaccine. The world is hiring a vaccine from us. So it should be a proud moment for us. Imagine if the scientists would have not developed any vaccine, today the lockdown would have been continued. We won't get an opportunity to be set in the world once again free. We would have been locked inside a house, but only because of vaccine what we got, we have been free, and now we have started working for it. So hoping the future to be a best. I give you all the best to all my students, all my staff members, everyone, to be successful in life and see whatever things you do in your life, it should be always logical, you should have certain ideas, reasonings, that means with the scientific thinkings. So with this, I would like to end my speech for young minds of our school to have a certain goals in their life. And with this, I will conclude my speeches. All the best, children, and I hope we will all enjoy National Science Day, which we celebrate every year on 20th of February. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Palak Rakesh Gupta from 6th A. Today I am going to present a simple scientific experiment, and the name of experiment is abstract milk art. And the things you need for this experiment are a bowl or a plate with little milk, some different food colors like yellow color, green color and red color, a dropper, cotton swab and dish soap. Now let's start. Now I am going to pour some milk in the plate. Now I am going to take a dropper and drop off little yellow color. Now I am going to pour in the center of a plate. Now I am going to take green color and a drop of green color and put it in the center of a plate. Now I am going to take red color and a drop of red color and put it in the center of a plate. Now I am going to take this cotton swab and dip in the dish soap and dip in the center where I have put the colors. Now you can see how colors are spreading. Do you know why this is happening? Because these soaps are used on oily and greasy utensils to separate or to break the bond of fat and allowing it to separate. Milk contains fat and food color float on it. When this soap was added to the color started moving because these soaps hold tight or bond with the fat in the milk. The bond is so strong that the food color was pushed away. The uses of abstract milk art is in the film, photography, marble, background, print, My name is Samruddhi Monisgade from 5th C, roll number 1. Today I am going to do a science experiment, vacuum in the candle. So let's start. We need one glass, full of water, candle and matchbox. Put the candle in the middle of the plate and pour the watercolor in the plate which surrounds the candle. And put on the candle using the matchstick. And cover the candle with the glass. what you observe your candle get off, and at the same time, the level of water rises in the glass speedily. What is science behind this? Heat from the candle made the air inside the candle quite hot, and hot air expands, take more space. When the flame is out, the air starts to cool, shrinking again. That produces partial Thank you.
Now I would like to call upon our principal ma'am, the sculptor of human character, to say few words.
A very scientific and virtual welcome to all my dear loving students, my dear staff members, and my very cooperative parents, those who are sitting at home. My dear students, today we are celebrating Science Day to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect by the great Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman. Today is a remarkable day when Sir C.V. Raman made to the world his greatest invention, the Raman effect, in the year 1928. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930 for the same. He was also awarded Bharat Ratna in 1954. We every year in our school celebrate this day as a science carnival, recognizing the scientific activities and programs along with science experiments which appears to be magic but have valid scientific reasons behind them. The main objective to celebrate this day is to bring awareness among students about the importance of scientific applications in their daily life. You all have just witnessed how our young scientists have displayed different activities in the form of experiments, and they have also tried to explain the science behind each and every activity. I personally feel that a scientist resides in all of us. If you are having countless questions like why, how, continuously going on in your mind, and if you try to find out the answer for all these questions by your own instead of using your smartphones, then I can say that you are a scientist. Albert Einstein has said, "I have no special talents. I am just passionately curious." Children, don't let that curiosity die in you. Never stop asking questions. Children, you have ever asked your mother why milk spills out while boiling and water doesn't? Have you ever asked your elders why we should not cut our nails after sunset? Have you ever asked a question to your grandmother why we should not see the eclipse naked eye? If you have not yet asked these questions, today I will tell you that go. Ask these questions and try to find out the answers for these questions, and I am sure that all of you will get a valid answer for all these things, because whatever was told by our elders, they are having a reason behind it, because we are having a very big history of scientists, whether it was you can say that scientists in India like C.V. Raman. We are having number of scientists, those who have given the valid reason for all the things which we call as black magic, which we call as myth. So we are having all the reasons for this. So children, today try to find out the answer for all these questions, because science is not just about innovations and new technology. It is curiosity based. Science occurred even in the age of stone, when the cavemen learned what would happen when two stones were rubbed against each other. There was no internet that time, but the curiosity helped their brain to grow in finding new knowledge. Science gives wings to our imaginations by its facts and theories. According to the free science approach, most of the tools, technologies, and medicines we use today are the products or the byproducts of research, from pen to rocket And from aspirin to corona vaccine, science has shaped the world. Science has responded to the societal needs and the global changes. What was our condition last year in the month of March? We all were panicked. We all were thinking, when scientists will discover the vaccine and we can move out free again in this world like we used to do. And in those days, I can say that those days because I'm talking about the past year, we were thinking that it may take 4 years, it may take 3 years for the scientists to make the corona vaccine. But our scientists have done wonders. They have made the vaccine within 1 year. And as you all can see that many of the health workers, they have got vaccinated. So this is a boon of science. This is what science is doing for the mankind. That is why we are saying that always science meets the societal needs and brings the global changes. As students, it is your responsibility to honor the great man and his invention by contributing greatly to the field of science through innovation. I wish all the science enthusiasts very best to enhance their scientific views. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for inspiring us. There is always an end to every event, such as this auspicious event. Never forget that science of today is technology for tomorrow. And at last, but not the least, I'll call my friend Anandi to deliver vote of thanks. And I'll announce that the program is officially over. Thank you.
A very enthusiastic good morning to one and all present over here. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks on this occasion to all the dignitaries assembled here. First of all, I would like to thank our principal ma'am and supervisor ma'am for giving their precious time on this occasion and also for sharing their inspirational thoughts. I would also like to thank our hardworking teachers, students, participants, volunteers, and last but not the least, our beloved audience for making this program as a grand success. Once again, I would like to thank all of you present over here. Thank you.